So the first thing we want to do is create an S3 bucket. After you've logged into the management console, you're going to go to S3. Now you could get to S3 by simply typing it in to the search bar. That would give you S3. We didn't do that because we had recently visited S3. It was already available to us in the default screen shown when you log into AWS. If you see that your side left menu is collapsed, indicated here by the hamburger stack, you simply come over to it and click on it. That will expand it, and we want to select the buckets options. So as you can see, we don't have any buckets, so we're going to create a bucket. We're going to call that bucket Quick Starts Bucket 1. Okay. For the purposes of this exercise, we're going to keep everything else at the default settings, and we're going to create the bucket. Scroll down, hit the create bucket button, and just like that, you'll get a message here indicating that your bucket was created successfully, and here the bucket is. Click on that bucket, and it'll default to the objects tab, and we're going to upload an object. Okay, so we click the upload button, and it takes us to another screen. We default to the files and folders section that's expanded. We're going to add a file, and what we're going to do is quite simply let's see if drag and dropping will work. So what I'm going to do is simply slide this over just a little bit to expose some images I have on the desktop. We're going to slide those in. As you can see, the screen changes to drag the files and folders you want to this area. We'll drop those files in, and just like that, we have the file showing here. We're only going to do one file. Happens to be a Quick Starts logo. I'm just going to skip everything else, or leave everything else as default. Not skip, but leave it as default. We're going to hit the upload button. Okay, now technically we've just put a file into the S3 bucket. We're going to close. We have our success message here. We're going to close out this window. That will take us back to the actual S3 bucket window. Here's our bucket name, Quick Starts Bucket 1, and as you can see, the file we uploaded is now here.